What's up, guys? So today we are clearing out our underpass. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
We sold our house and we are traveling across the country with our kids.
My name's Goose and this is Maverick. Come join us.
I know vacuuming your underpass may seem a little bit weird, but I guarantee if I didn't do this, Ashley would do it. So believe it or not, all of this, including the barbecue and the snowboard, and all of the dirt bike gear, all of our tools, and then all of our hookups, such as the hose, sewer, power cord, all goes right in there. And while we've been here at the Pio Pico RV Resort, we have actually acquired a few things. We have gotten this giant rug, which Ash is standing on, as well as the barbecue back there. So I am leaving it up to this lady here to figure out how to make all of that fit in there. Granted, some of it is just more of organizational stuff and getting rid of some stuff.
And we could put the boxes in one area, the wheels, like the wheel stuff on the other, in the middle, and then the other stuff on the other side, and then the other stuff on the other side, and the other stuff on the other side.
All right, she's already got it planned out. All right, go for it. So we've been traveling for about 4 months now, and I feel like purging and organizing is like a consistent theme amongst RVers. Like, you're continually giving away stuff. Like, we always have a Goodwill bag for like either things that the kids grow out of or things we thought we needed which we don't really need. And actually, sadly, this is actually the first time that we have tried to organize. I just got slimed by the dog. That is disgusting. This is the first time we've actually tried to organize this underpass. It's always just been kind of like a shove in and maybe organize a little bit in the front so we can grab out our chairs and things. But now that we're adding this ginormous thing and this huge rug, I think we're gonna need to be a little bit more organized. Okay, I am quite impressed with how much we fit in here. Check this out. All right, Mommy, give them the underpass tour.
All right. All the items that we use basically every time we camp or park, or hopefully will, our chairs, the barbecue.
Brand new red barbecue.
The wheelie thing, because, you know, laundry. The, like, sport stuff, swimming stuff, all that good crud. We put it all together.
Laser tag, can't forget that.
Laser tag, can't forget laser tag. Our emergency items, apparently we don't think we're gonna have an emergency. They're all the way back there.
And the brand new table fits perfectly underneath.
Yes, our brand new table. Giveaway stuff all the way back there. Go check out our Patreon page. Wink. And then James's side. All of our bags are shoved into Goose's bag. James's
with a lot of the winter
RC
stuff.
Racer that we could not live without. The winter stuff that he thought he was going to be using. James, are you catching my vibes? I'm laying it on thick. And then all the stuff that we're gonna use basically all the time. His dirt biking stuff, tools, miscellaneous tools.
Drills.
Miscellaneous tools.
Helmet, those are helmets back there.
This?
Oh no, those are, yeah, drill bits.
When you do it, your helmet just collapses. Collapsible helmets, hey, it's a thing. And then other stuff that we're gonna be using, like our zip ties, extra filters, and then all this loveliness just kind of fits in the crevices, but it comes out every time that we park, so it doesn't have to be absolutely gorgeous.
And then I didn't do a whole lot up front. I just kind of cleaned threw away a few things that were extra. And then
a lot of this stuff
organized his dog food.
These are his dog stuff. We've got our, why can't I think of it? Our generator. We've got our
Did you just forget the word generator?
We've got our thingamabobby, the yellow thing.
Which actually we're kind of thinking about switching out.
Our generator.
It works well. It's just so big.
It's really big. It's really heavy, and if we do want to do boondocking, we might think about getting a quieter one. Just cause loud.
It's not crazy loud, but it's definitely louder than the little Hondas.
Yeah. And poopy
gloves. And this whole entire thing is dog food. Because Great Dane.
They're kind of awkwardly ugly, but they're so ugly that they're fun. Those
They're cute.
are my water
Mommy
socks.
water
I
socks.
just got water socks.
And then on a completely unrelated note, I have been hearing, oh sorry, Ashley wasn't done, but I got something else I gotta say. On a completely unrelated note, I have been hearing quads, or not quads, razors and dirt bikes cruising up this mountain, and it is a beautiful day, so I really wanna go out for a ride. I might have to do a quick ride a little bit.
But he has stuff that he needs to get done, so he probably won't.
Maybe. And then Mommy got a new tablecloth.
I kind of left that. I'm cleaning it because we're gonna put it away.
What? Oh no, her brand new table. It's kind of cheap, to be honest.
No, it's not.
It's cute though.
Don't pick at it.
It's cute.
I'm guessing this is where Maverick was and got scooted.
Oh, maybe.
She's not on my tablecloth.
But it's a cute little tablecloth.
Isn't that cute?
Home is where you park it.
I always love that saying. Ever since we started this, it's kind of like I have to keep reminding myself, like, I don't have to have a house that stays in one place, because home is literally what you make of it. And we've made this our home. And so, I'm sorry, I have allergies.
It's just such a sensitive subject.
Oh man, just on one eye though. One eye is really sad right now. But I have to keep reminding myself that, you know, this is our home, and that it doesn't matter where it is, where we go. Home is exactly what you make of it. And so I saw that and I kept thinking, I really like that saying. I've seen that saying. I've seen it on hats and I wanted to get a hat. And then I saw this little flag and it was super cute. But then it's not really us to be like, let's put our flag out. Oh, let's pick our flag out.
But you were wanting like a sign to hang on the front little thing.
It was super cute. But then I saw this, I'm like, this is so much better, because I wanted one of these. Because in the different places we've been, I'm like, oh, it'd be so nice to be able to just put Maverick out and let her crawl around for a little bit. But it's so
rocky.
The ground's so rocky, the ground's so hard. And now we can.
Now she can climb
Except
around.
for that there's ants here, and so I'm not gonna put it in my underpass, in my undercarriage yet. At the parking lot of what?
Disneyland.
Near Disneyland. We're getting our spot so we can go to Disney. So, can I get a what?
What?
Alright guys, our Disneyland adventure has officially begun. Okay, first off, we're gonna start this with a little bit of depressing news. Security has gotten so ridiculous at Disneyland that now just to get into downtown Disney, they search your bags and you have to go through metal detectors just to get into downtown Disney. So that's a little bit crazy, a little bit depressing at the status of the world. But now that we are in the happiest place on earth, how excited are you? And we're not even in there yet.
You look gorgeous, darling.
Far too young.
Larry, put this on me.
Me?
You'll be pretty, Dad. You're so pretty.
So we are just hanging out at downtown Disney today. We are not actually going into the park today. Are we doing that tomorrow or the next day?
We're going to downtown tomorrow, and then we go to the park.
Okay, so we still have a full day until we go to the park, but today we just got into Anaheim. We just checked into our RV park, which was the RV Harbor Anaheim Park. I'll put a link to it down below. It's the closest RV park to Disney. Like, you could walk here, I would say in about 10 minutes. We were lazy and we drove tonight, but I think you could get here on foot in less than 10 minutes from your trailer. So, super cool park. A little bit pricey, but what do you expect with Disney? Anyways, we just wanted to come and actually see the front of Disney. There it is. There's the train station. How is it, Mommy? You have been looking forward to this for so long.
I want to swing. I want to swing.
Okay, should we go get some dessert and some food? How is it, love?
A little hot and a little warm.
So, talk about a bummer. Everything is getting soaking wet and we are huddled under this little cover. But we got some delicious pizza.
Got the cover.
I know, we're one of the few tables that actually got it. As you can see, people are like huddled inside and whatnot. But we're at Disney and we're gonna enjoy every little minute of it. All right, I am starving. I've got to eat this pizza. Yeah, that's massive.
I feel like I have to bend it.
I've always seen this Napolini thing in downtown, but we've never actually eaten here. So we're taking. Oh, you're all right. You're okay. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because next time we are picking up Pops and Grammy from the airport and celebrating Maverick's first birthday party. Can you believe that she is 1 year old? Oh my goodness. But until next time, guys, remember, stay positive, get out there. Life is an adventure, so make some memories.